Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to decorate a Dollar Tree Easter and Spring Tablescape. All the items that you see were purchased from my local Dollar Tree, at the exception of a few DIYs and a few other items that I also purchased from other stores. Dollar Tree has made it so easy for all of our home decor and crafters to pretty much decorate on a budget. Going to Dollar Tree, you can find some of the nicest high-end looking products, from plates, from cups to napkins, that can really give your home a high-end look on a budget.
Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do.
This is how I layered. This plate right here was purchased from Family Dollar. It's a large dinner plate. I normally layer with a larger plate that's shaped differently from my other plates. And then I'll lay down my dinner plate, then I'll lay down my saucer, and I'll also lay down my silverware. And generally, I don't layer in every single tablescape that I do, but I like to layer according to the colors and the theme and what type of look I'm going for. But the nice little wine little glasses that you see, that's like an ombre color, those wine glasses were purchased from Hobby Lobby last year. They had a 50% off sale on all of their Easter decor last year, and I was able to pick those up. And they are really, really cute. And it looks good with all the colors of blue and yellow. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uneatly Tae. I do DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, hauls, and tablescapes. If you like videos like these, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. This particular vase here is also a DIY of mine. I had wanted to fill it with blue roses, the blush pink roses, and yellow. That's pretty much the theme that I'm going for. I have like a blue, a blush pink, a yellow feel to this Easter table. And I just filled the bottom of that vase with some sea rocks and some different little gems to the bottom to give it a little nice high-end look. So that will be part of my centerpiece for this table. The glass mirror candle holders are also DIYs of mine. And I also made some faux foods, some petite fours, and some faux chocolates. And I also did 2 faux cakes that's going to also be incorporated in the tablescape centerpiece. Everything turned out so great. I loved how everything looks. It is so easy to create a high-end look on an affordable budget. Dollar Tree has the best items that you can find for tablescapes, DIYs, home decor projects, and I just love how everything turned out. It has the right shades of blue and the yellow and the blush pink. Everything just blends so well. I love it all. And the fact that I was able to tie in all the different colors of blue, that's my favorite part of it all. I was trying to do a different color this year than pinks and purples, so I wanted to lean more towards blue. And I love how everything looks. It's just stunning. And I love the fact that I was able to create the tablescape using Dollar Tree products.
Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together,
I must say I am in love with making faux food. Right here I have faux chocolates, faux petite fours and 2 faux cakes that I made. I've done a DIY video before on a faux Christmas cookie that I made last year. I'm gonna try to link that above. And I really love how these cakes came out.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you made
It is haul time, everybody. I have been going from Dollar Tree to Dollar Tree for the longest, and I haven't really been finding any special finds until now. That's why I haven't been posting within the last 2 weeks any Dollar Tree hauls. But I hit the jackpot a week ago where I found beautiful photos, everybody, beautiful wall art. They actually had gorgeous wall art at Dollar Tree that looked very high end. I loved each piece. I picked up multiple ones. As you can see, this one says eat, sleep, work, repeat. I got that one for my sister, and I even got some more coastal and beach themed pictures. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.